Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error message that the application was unable to start correctly and it be followed by error code 0xC00007B. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be actually just to go ahead and restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. You may also want to consider reinstalling the application as well guys. If that doesn't help you, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys, so kindly please wait until this 100% is done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.